everyone, this is Sabrina from Zaz Body Care, and today we are going to be making a soap called the Colors of the Sea. So the first thing that we are going to do is we're going to be adding our lye water solution into the oils using our stick blender to avoid any splashing of the lye water solution. We're also going to be making sure that the lye water solution and the oils are at least 10 degrees in difference in temperature. Now I'll be adding the Tropical Passion Fruit Fragrance Oil from NDA. Now we're going to blend everything in using a spatula. The reason why we're using a spatula is because we want to avoid the batter to thicken too much, so that when we're going to do the layers, it's going to be nice and smooth. Now I'm going to be splitting the batch, and I'm going to be pouring into 4 different containers, since we're going to have a total of 5 accent colors. Now I'm going to be adding 1 tablespoon of colloidal oatmeal. For our base color, I'll be adding some rose mica mixed with some oils into this mixture to make it a very light beigey pinkish color. So in this one, we're going to be adding some rose pink mica mixed with olive oil. We are also going to be adding some titanium dioxide to bring it to a pastel color. Now we're going to be pouring the second layer, and we're not going to be pouring it from high because we don't want it to go in too deep into the first layer. So we're going to be very careful, but we don't need it to be too straight either. So this third layer is a mixture of mint chip and cobalt blue mica. We are also going to be adding a dash of titanium dioxide to bring it to a pastel color. While pouring the third layer, we're going to be doing the same thing as the second one. We're going to be very gentle. We don't want it to go in too deep, but at the same time, we don't want it too straight. For the fourth layer, we have the dark green mica mixed with the cobalt blue. So we wanted it to reflect a kind of seaweed color. We wanted it to be a greenish blue, not too blue, but not too green. For the fourth layer, we're going to be still using the same technique. We're going to be gentle, but at the same time, if it moves the third layer around, it's not a big deal. It's okay, we like that. Now that the fourth layer is completed, we're going to move on to the fifth and final layer, which is going to be the cobalt blue mica mixed with olive oil. So this one is going to be a darker color, and we want that because we want to reflect, when you look into the ocean, the darkness of the color, how beautiful it is, and that's what we're looking for. We're still going to be using the same technique. We want it to go in gentle. We don't want it to move around too much. And this is going to be a beautiful last layer. So this is going to be a low top soap, and we're going to be adding the remainder of the soap batter to the top of this to make a beautiful design. So here we're going to be using the figure 8 technique, and it's going to be mixing those 4 colors in so beautifully. I am so happy for the results of this design. So here I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of fairy dust mica just to give it that little bit of shine that we always need. "48 hours later, we are ready to cut this soap bar. Would you look at that design? Isn't that cute? We have the base for the beach, we have a little pink for the coral, and the bluish green for the colors of the water. Oh, it's so pretty. I love it. Thank you all so much for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it. If you are interested to try it out, it's a very simple recipe. It's 100% olive oil soap bar. That's so easy, guys. If you did enjoy this video, feel free to like it, and if you want to see more videos like this one, you can also subscribe to my channel. I will be posting more videos of soap making. I want to wish you all a blessed day, and I hope to have you on my channel watching more of my videos. So, you know, feel free to click if you want to, but you don't have to. I would appreciate it, but it's up to you guys. Anyways, love you guys. Take care, and till the next open video with Zaz Body Care.